Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you what is Zapier, and this is going to be a tutorial for beginners. So basically Zapier is an automation AI workflow bot. So this will work for you in the form of zaps. So basically here, let's go home and let's see. So here you would want to automate using zaps. So basically what this does is actually get certain apps that you can work with together, so that, for example, when you receive an email and you want to be saved in the cloud, Zapier can do that for you. So it's gonna be done through Zaps. So Zaps is gonna be a step-by-step automation tool that's gonna be used here in Zapier. So here there are no Zaps in this folder. So you want to start a Gmail attachment to Google Drive, save new emails being matching certain traits to Google spreadsheet, and many much more. So here you have interfaces too. So let's check it out right here. So let's wait for it to load, guys, of course. So basically this is very useful in large scale automation if you want to start with automation with your emails and many much more, videos and Google Docs, whatever you want. So as you can see here, you can start simple. So let's build an interface for you guys. So here we're gonna have a simple interface where it does it step by step once in a while. So right here, so here's gonna be your interface link. So I'm the owner and nobody will be able to see this. So here the page, let's add right here. So welcome to your form. You'll have to submit your email and all. So let's just go back for a while right now and I'll explain the rest. So here, when we go back to our home, this is just the free account. There is certain actual plans that you can subscribe on, since there's only 0 out of 100 tasks that you can do, but your zaps is unlimited, of course. So this usage resets in 1 week, so you can manage your plan right here in the bottom left corner. So here you can advertise it and change plan. So let's see right here. So here you can do add-ons basically. So here in your current plan, you're gonna have automation, zaps, and 2-step zaps and AI power-ups. So if you need professional and team-like Zapier plans, you can do so right here. So it has multi-step zaps and unlimited premium apps, webhooks, email support. And if you go with team, you have SSO and add-on contact. So here you have your enterprise. You should really contact them for pricing right there. So there you go, guys. This is Zapier basically. So if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.